Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Kai. I do videos pertaining to wellness, positivity, travel, mental health, and change. If you guys want to see how I do this face, it's perfect for running errands and going to the gym, then just stay tuned. What we are going to do is we are going to moisturize our skin. When I like to go to the gym, I like to go light. I don't like a lot of makeup or coverage. I'm gonna start off with my Squalane Algae Cream, and this is just gonna go underneath my eyes. I know some people don't like wearing makeup, but this is kind of like mixed in between what I do every single day. It's pretty minimal, but I also wear this to the gym. My Squalane Omega Repair Cream, and this is really moisturizing. It's been some time that I've had this product, and the smell is not unbearable because it does have kind of like this offsetting smell. Okay, so now that's all over my face. I like to moisturize my face with this, but before I do, I'm just gonna add a touch of concealer, and this is from Bare Minerals. It is their liquid mineral concealer, and I'm in the shade medium tan, and I'm just gonna tap it with my ring finger. I am not that type of girl to go to the gym with her face fully beat, so unfortunately, if you are that type of girl, then I'm sorry, but this is not the video. One thing that I can't live without, every single day, if I don't leave my house with anything else, it has to be my eyebrows and moisturizer, and you're not going to put it in this area or this region because I do have concealer there. You do need some on your neck here, and I also like to apply some on the backs of my hands because when you start to age, people can tell your age by your neck and your hands, so we need to put SPF in those areas, in those regions. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and my eyebrows is something that I just can't live without doing. I normally use this, but I'm already out. It is the Anastasia brow pen, and I really love the Brow Wiz, but I like this NYX brow pen, and I'm in the shade Espresso. So I like to follow my eyebrow here at the corner, and then I just drag it down. I know it looks crazy, but I just prefer my eyebrows like this. This is how I do my eyebrows every single day, and even when I go to the gym, I have to have my eyebrows. Sorry if you can't see that. You are just creating the illusion that you have eyebrows because it's been some time since I've gotten my eyebrows done, and I'm trying to actually grow them out. So now what I like to focus, and then I'll meet in the middle, I like to focus like up and then right next to it. It does take some time to get used to, and I'm going straight up. As I'm coming, I start to flick it in an angle. I don't know if you could see what I just did there. If you don't like it too dark, then by all means you can pick a different color, but my hair is black, so that is why I have a dark color. So I'm gonna do the same thing, and I'm gonna do the other side, and I'll be right back. Come in so you can kind of see like what I did here. It kind of looks like brush strokes. It does vary each day on how I do it. Sometimes it looks a little bit more natural. So I have my eyelash curler here. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Just opens up your eyes from looking tired to like awake. See? Do you see the difference?
And I'll do this other side.
And I'll get my mascara. This is Better Than Sex by Too Faced. And I'll just apply it on the tops and wiggle. Just for a little bit of definition, I like to bronze just a tad. So I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced chocolate bronzer. I'll just slightly contour. My face is a little bit combination. Sometimes it's oily during the summer.
Alright, I don't know if you are like me, but it is hot, and we are not going to wear our hair down to the gym because it's just so hot.
You guys can tell from my makeup light here. It's just my version of a natural look, and I just love this look. And I just have Lululemon sports bra. I do wish that there was a little bit more padding because it does show. And I just have these camo leggings. I'm gonna go work out. My hubby's getting ready right now. I gotta switch this out because I do have a silicone ring. Working out with my ring always pinches me, so swapping that out. And I believe it's in the kitchen, so. If you enjoyed this and you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below as to what favorite products you're loving this summer.